sleep. I don't think anybody slept last night.
All right, Driven Show today. So, we are taking our booth. We're gonna load up all our merch in the Jeep and head down to Driven. We gotta get there in like hour and a half, so load up. Think we can fit all that in the Jeep? We'll see. It's a lot of stuff. So we are fully loaded. This thing's like packed as much as it can be. Loaded right up. All the way. Gotta have a passenger with no legs, and we'll be good. Then we got some stuff in the Golf also. Just some chairs and things. Yeah, I wish I could take this to the show, but it is clearly still not done. Have hardly worked on it between my work schedule and prepping for this Driven Show that it basically hasn't moved. But after the show, I'm gonna continue on really getting the rest of the bodywork finished up, and from there, once that's all sorted, then we'll get it wrapped. Got my wrap right here all ready to go, Avery Dennison, but I won't show you the color just yet, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to catch that video when it comes out, because we're going to be wrapping ourselves. There might be a couple like complex pieces that I might get the boys over at Custom Decals to do for me, but other than that, we will be doing it on this channel. So yeah, I guess we better roll out to Driven, so we'll catch you guys there. Well, you fit good in there, Dad?
It's not too bad.
I mean, you have legs, so
That's kind of unfortunate.
yeah, right.
But we'll make it happen.
All right.
See ya.
This thing is so full of stuff. I guess I'll probably just talk a little bit about the brand. Like, now is probably a good opportunity. The logo and everything has the number 9, but that 9 is actually derivative from like the German word nine. The meaning behind it was originally like 9 lines, like no lines, no limits, right? So that's kind of where it comes from. It's not like the number 9 lines. People are like, oh, you know what that sounds like, right? It's like you're snorting lines, doing 9 lines, yeah. It's like, okay, whatever, I get it, but it's like the German 9. So no lines, no limits. Basically, like, chase after what you want, because it just takes determination and having a clear goal in mind, and it's not easy. Like, you, especially when you work a day job already, like, you have to pursue something like this on the side in your spare time. So it takes all of your time in order to like work with this stuff day in, day out, and actually build something on the side until the day that it might be possible that you can actually transfer it to be a full-time thing. So that's kind of the goal, is that just gotta keep getting better over time, and you only learn by doing. So just gotta do it, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you didn't know, now you know. We're going to do Driven Show Calgary today, which is Driven Show is like, I think it's the biggest kind of car show tour in Canada. They go across 8 locations, so all the major cities across Canada. This year we are doing 4 of them, so we're literally doing half the shows. We're doing Calgary, and then we're doing Edmonton, which is only about a 2.5-3 hour drive away from Calgary. Saskatoon, 1 province over from us, east, and then we're also going to be doing the Vancouver show. So that one's going to be huge. I think that's like, oh, for sure, I think that's got to be like the biggest show that Driven puts on. What's up? Are we supposed?
No, I went up there and he said just wait here and they're gonna come get us one at a time to stage us because they don't want a big lineup.
Okay.
Oh, he's Mark's right there, but yeah, just like park anywhere here.
Okay.
I saw you.
9 lines.
9 lines. Zach.
Yeah.
Keith. Nice to meet you, finally.
Yeah.
We text, but we don't actually talk.
I know.
They're just unloading right now, right where your booth is.
Ah,
so just
okay.
give them a second.
Okay.
Then they're gonna pull out and go downstairs with the trailers.
Okay. This is that LB Works McLaren. This thing is so cool. Liberty Walk McLaren.
What do you think, Zach? Pretty good.
Get out.
Write it. I'm gonna write it down on a piece of paper and put it right here.
Okay, but also I just wanted to tell you what's what so that you know what to
New
click on when.
shoes. Looking
So,
good.
New boot goofing.
Brett.
3 payments.
This beamer is stealing it.
Wait, can you try another one? Daddy, can you do another one?
I didn't sleep. I don't think anybody slept last night.
I know. You guys posted at like 5 in the morning.
Yeah, we did.
It's still working and stuff. Yeah. that's a wrap for Driven Calgary. The time lapses kind of show what's involved in setting up the booth and tearing down, and it takes a lot of work. But, well, it was pretty good. All in all, it was a really good day. And we will see everyone next show, I guess. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out our merch online, because we do online sales as well. So if you didn't get something at the show, or if you're not local, make sure you check out our website, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.